you've decided to do a video project. Only problem is, you got a nice camera, but the audio is a serious issue. Now, if you're just doing little projects, YouTube, things like that, all you really need to do is spend a few minutes to get rid of some of the ambient noise, maybe some clicks in the background, different things like that, just to clean it up, just to make it sound a little more pleasant. So what I've decided to do is create a video to show you how to do that. Let's get into it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're just going to record some ambient noise from the office I'm in to see what the deal is. See what we need to clean up. So here we go. Recording the ambient noise here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stop recording, and then we're going to go ahead and open up Adobe Audition and pull the file. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open up Adobe Audition. And then I'm just going to drag my file in. It's this one here. I'm going to drive it right into the files area. Drop it. And give it a second. Double click on it. Here's our file. So we can listen to it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do. And we want to find a point in the file where it's just the ambient noise. So that's a decent sample right there. So you hear the kind of just humming. So here we go in the background. So I'm gonna select the whole thing, and the quickest way to work in Audition is to just click an area you want to play, or you can click and drag to listen to a certain selection, and then hit the space bar for play or pause, just like so. But we're gonna select the whole thing, so I'm clicking out of that selection. Control A for select all. We're gonna go to Effects, Noise Reduction, and Adaptive Noise Reduction. And usually this on the default settings works pretty well. So also we should be able to see it on the graph. Look here. You see that? Everything dropped to a line. And what I find interesting about this is, generally speaking, it doesn't do the very first part of the file when you do this. I don't know why that is. I'll show you how to do it manually. But yeah, let's check these areas here now. So here we go. Recording the ambient noise here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stop recording, and then we're going to go ahead and... Oh, yeah, so that sounds a lot better. Now if we listen at the very beginning of the file, we're going to hear that ambient noise. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're just going to record some ambient noise. And so what I'm going to do for this one, usually what you'd want to do is you just want to start recording before you're actually going to use the file. But I'm going to actually select this, and I'm going to drag the decibels down. It's kind of a cheater's way. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're just going to record some ambient noise from the office I'm in to see what the deal is. See what we need to clean up. So here we go. Now if I said, well, I don't like my smacking, here we go. So this section right here is that noise I made with my mouth, because I am not a professional. And I'm just gonna select it, and then I'm gonna just drag this way down, and it's gonna disappear. So here we go. Recording the ambient, and like if you don't like a breath you take, you can go back and get rid of that. Everyone breathes, but not on camera. So let's just go ahead and remove that. And there we go. We have a much cleaner file than it started. And let's just listen to it once through. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're just going to record some ambient noise from the office I'm in to see what the deal is. See what we need to clean up. So here we go. Recording the ambient noise here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stop recording, and then we're going to go ahead and open up Adobe Audition and pull the file. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this video. It shows you how to go through the process of cleaning up a file and kind of getting it a little cleaner. It's not expert. It's not, this isn't going to get you any kind of audio, engineer type job, but it will help you clean up your own YouTube stuff. It'll help you clean up your little audio stuff you want to do for your own projects. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the